Lay the Airwheel H3S wheelchair on the ground, make sure the 4 wheels touch the floor, and turn on the power switch located at the rear part of the battery box. Press and hold the accelerate and unfolding key on the control panel for 3 seconds. When the light on the control panel is on and there's a beep sound, release the key. Then the Airwheel H3S wheelchair will unfold automatically. Press and hold the decelerate and folding key on the control panel for 3 seconds if you want to fold it back to its original position. When the wheelchair is unfolded, insert the fixing rod on the backside of the wheelchair tray into its right armrest and tighten it with screws. Then you are free to flip up or flip down the wheelchair tray for reading or other activities. When the wheelchair needs to be recharged, please take out the extended charging cable, figure out its output end and the input end, and insert the black output end into the charging port on the battery box, and screw the metal ring to fix it. Then fasten the extended charging cable along the frame with a tie. After that, connect the charger to the input end of the extended charging cable, and screw the metal ring to fix it. Buckle it to the clamp on the frame, and connect the other end of the charger to the AC power supply to recharge. Unlock and fold up the armrest. Be careful not to use excessive force and fold it over the allowed angle. After seated properly, fold down the armrest to its original position and lock it. Turn the rear motor lock switch to the electric drive mode to start driving.